What's your relationship advice for 2026?
Stop calling him your soulmate when he can't even reply to your text. Souls connect, not vanish.
How do you handle burnout?
I don't. I just rename it grind mode so my boss thinks I'm passionate, not depressed.
What's your dating advice?
If he's confused about you, let him stay confused. You're not Google Maps. Next.
Would you rather be rich or in love?
Rich. Love doesn't pay for oat milk.
Have you ever come across videos like this on social media? Recently, I found an Instagram creator who went viral almost overnight, all thanks to a series of sharp, witty one-liners. This grandma influencer, who looks totally real and full of personality, is actually 100% AI generated. Scrolling through her page, you'll see she always appears in bright pink outfits, giving street-style interviews, and her responses? Non-stop punchlines, one after another, delivered with the timing of a professional comedian. It's this mix of rebellious humor and brutally honest takes that made her blow up online. Fans even nicknamed her the middle-aged Barbie. According to Instagram's official data, her account was created this July, and in just 22 days, she gained over 1 million followers. As of now, she's posted more than 170 videos and is about to hit 2 million fans. Some even believe she might be the first AI-born influencer to ever hit that level, meaning her entire persona was created and maintained through AIGC technology. What makes this AI grandma stand out is her contrast. Unlike those calm, wholesome wisdom AI grandmas that share life advice, she's bold, blunt, and brutally real about relationships and money. Basically the definition of a sassy, gold-loving 70-year-old. Now that AI tools and monetization models are maturing, AI grandmas like her are reaching new heights. Not just in followers, but in business. They're building full-on IP brands and turning their characters into income. And if you're curious about how videos like this are made, you're in the right place, because today, I'll walk you through the entire process behind them. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post fresh content every week, and I hope you'll find some ideas and skills here that truly help you. All right, let's begin. Step 1. Get spicy quotes or dialogues. This is super important, because funny or spicy lines are what make these videos go viral. You can write them yourself using trending memes, or, like me, you can use AI to help generate them. I've already prepared a set of AI prompt templates for this. You can find the link to my Discord channel in the video description. Just copy my prompts, send them to ChatGPT, and you'll instantly get 10 quotes like, "What's your career advice for Gen Z? Don't chase dreams, chase invoices. Dreams don't pay rent. Would you date someone with no ambition? If he has no goals, I'll be the goal. Then leave when he achieves me. Balaba." And if you want them to sound bolder, just type, "Make them more spicy." You can also target specific topics like work, money, or relationships. For example, make 10 more about money. And that's it. Your quotes section is ready. If they still don't sound perfect, just keep tweaking them in ChatGPT until you're satisfied. Step 2. Create the images. Just like in the video we saw earlier, you'll need 2 characters. One man playing the interviewer and one woman delivering the iconic quotes. So we need 2 base images, what I call seed images. For the male interviewer, I'll just use my own photo. For the lady, we'll generate one from scratch. Use any tool you like. In this video, I'll use Nano Banana from Google AI Studio. Click Try Nano Banana. Before typing the prompt, set the aspect ratio. I'll go with vertical mode. Then enter this. Generate a realistic 70-year-old grandmother wearing a pink LV suit, a pink LV headscarf, pink designer sunglasses, and an extravagant pink Chanel bag, old money style. After a few seconds, your image will appear. Now, it might look a bit like that viral influencer's image, but I don't recommend copying her directly. This is just for demonstration. Feel free to get creative. Design your own unique character. Once you've got your seed image, it's time to generate some interview scenes. Still in Nano Banana, upload your seed image and enter this prompt. Figure 1 shows a man actually interviewing a woman. Figure 2. The background is New York City's CBD with a pink Rolls Royce parked behind them. And boom, your image is ready. You can easily change the background or outfits later if you want. Step 3. Craft the video prompts. Now open my doc template, find step 3, and copy prompt 1 into a new ChatGPT chat. Then, paste prompt 2 after that. Once you've done that, ChatGPT will be ready to generate your full video prompts. So now, upload your seed image from step 2 and type your dialogue, for example, interviewer, the man. What's your relationship advice for 2026? Woman. Stop calling him your soulmate when he can't even reply to your text. Souls connect, not vanish. And bam, you'll instantly get a full JSON video prompt ready to use. Step 4. Generate the video. In this video, I'll use Google's newest model, Veo 3.1. Go to Google Flow, click Frames to Video, select Vertical Mode, choose Veo 3.1 Fast, upload your images, and paste in the ChatGPT generated prompt. And here we go. That's your video.
What's your relationship advice for 2026?
Stop calling him your soulmate when he can't even reply to your text. Souls connect, not vanish.
Looks pretty good, right? Now just remove the Veo watermark before posting. You can do that easily in any video editor like CapCut. Just zoom in the video slightly, around 109%, and the watermark will disappear. If you think an 8-second clip is too short, you can also combine several of them in CapCut to create a longer video. So if you've made it this far, you now know the entire process, from generating quotes to creating images, writing video prompts, producing the video, and editing it for final posting. If this interests you, go try it yourself. Honestly, the workflow isn't hard. What's hard is building a good sense for what goes viral. You need to understand internet humor and create content that hits the right tone. Most importantly, I realize this Instagram creator doesn't just rely on ad revenue. She's built an almost perfect money-making system. She sells custom AI-generated videos as a paid service, turning them into a steady income stream. Her birthday videos cost $60, and her commercial team videos go for $250 each. It's basically the AI version of premium shout-out videos. That's something we can all learn from, myself included. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.